Bobo and I have been battling serious cough and catarrh for about 2 days now. So this is what we've been doing to combat the cold. Get any citrus fruit. It could be orange, lemon, or clementines, but make sure it has enough water. If the one you get doesn't have water, you can pop it in the microwave and it will help to extract that liquid. After you've done that, mince up some onion and then squeeze in that orange water or whatever you got into that. Get honey. Make sure you're getting good and original honey. But please, if your baby is under 1, just serve like this. Don't use honey. Add like probably a teaspoon of that honey. Mix it together and get this syringe. I'm taking about 5 ml. I serve this 3 to 4 times in a day. But make sure that anyone that you make, you finish that batch that day. Don't serve the one for today, tomorrow. And this has been helping to relieve these symptoms. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section.